Have you ever pondered the mechanics behind bloggers being able to turn their passion into a steady income stream? It's not magic, nor is it sheer luck. It's a calculated process, one that entails creativity, consistency, and a dash of business savvy. Blogging, in its simplest form, is sharing your thoughts, ideas, or experiences online. It's like having a public diary where you can express yourself, connect with others, and even create a brand. From travel and food to finance and fashion, there's a blog for almost every topic under the sun. Now let's delve into the matter at hand: monetizing your blog. This may seem like a daunting task, but by breaking it down into manageable steps, it becomes less intimidating. Step 1. Start a blog. It may sound obvious, but the first step to making money from a blog is to have a blog. This involves choosing a niche, creating engaging content, and building a community. Remember, your blog is your brand, and your audience is your customer base. Step 2. Grow your audience. The more traffic your blog generates, the higher your chances of monetizing it. This is where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes into play. By optimizing your blog posts for search engines, you can attract more readers and increase your visibility online. Step 3. Monetize your blog. There are several ways to do this. You can display ads on your blog, sell products or services, or affiliate marketing. Displaying ads is one of the most common methods. It involves partnering with advertising networks, which pay you to display ads on your blog. Selling products or services is another method. This could be anything from selling handmade products to offering freelance services. Lastly, affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your blog. Step 4. Diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. The more income streams you have, the more financially secure your blog will be. This could involve incorporating a mix of advertising, product sales, and affiliate marketing. To sum up, blogging is a creative and potentially lucrative way to express your thoughts and ideas online. The process of monetizing it involves starting a blog, growing your audience, monetizing your blog, and diversifying your income streams. It's not an overnight process, but with patience, consistency, and a sprinkle of business savvy, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture. Remember, blogging is not just about making money. It's about sharing your passion, connecting with others, and creating a brand. So, get out there, start blogging, and who knows, you might just be the next big thing in the blogging world.